Yeah, maybe it's not mango. The Asian elm tree. Hi. Hi. You wanna come to me, babe? I can't do that. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Scramble, scramble. Hi. I don't sound like a girl at all. Hi, Chica. 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 Hi. Hello. She's at the top. Chica. Hi. Come on, you want to talk? You see her, Heidi? I don't see her. Do you see her? I can't see her from my vantage point presently. I'm just trying to keep a dialogue. Hello? Chica? Hi. Oh, I hear ya. Sounds there. It wasn't me. You wanna come say hi? I'm right here. Hi. I hear it. Right on the end over to my right over here. Chica. Hi. Yeah, I see it. Hi, Chica. Hi, I see you, Chica. Hi. Hi, Chica. Hi. I can't see her. I just saw her go to my left. I didn't see where she went. Unfortunately, she's still flying. As soon as we got on scene, I saw her making her way to the top to get flight. I mean, there was nothing I could do where she was at. Couldn't reach or anything. All right, down I go. I'm just getting down myself, so. Sorry, Mickey. Yeah, nothing we could do. I mean, she, as soon as we got on scene, she started making her way to the top of the tree. And I was about 7 feet from her this way, so there's nothing I could do reaching wise. No, we got it.
She left her feet and everything. Julia, my partner there, anyway. That's what you got to look at.
I had him in the family. It was very, very, very old. Older than me. He was 104. Not the player. Your aunt,
Yeah.
My aunt,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's
Well, you could 30 right about now. So
All right, let's just grab the bag and.
wait. Oh, I brought your gears in here. I'll get the gear. You just. That's
That belt was like 300 pounds.
He didn't like how heavy it was. He had me put it on
Here.
when we were doing the flight barn.
Yeah, we're gonna follow.
All right.
You guys saw where it went, right?
I